Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is retracing. We talked about an upcoming retracement in the previous video. We said that the wave 3 in blue could very well be in. Why was that? Because we reached the ideal target for the wave 3 in blue. We reached perfectly the 1.618 extension. This is always a potential reversal point for Bitcoin, or for any coin in a wave 3 or after a wave 3, right? And we talked about this wave 4 in blue here, which is a wave 4 in a wave 3 in white. And this wave 3 that we probably haven't completed yet as per this count is a wave 3 in a wave 3 in yellow. So overall I'm looking in this move down for the area between 14 and 16k. So we can see that this retracement is taking place, it is happening, but we're getting close now to an invalidation point. Maybe we see it in this video. Invalidation is around, where are we? $19,300. So I think the move in an upcoming retracement, that was definitely the right assumption, but you never know how strong these retracements are. And as you can see here, if this is a wave 4, it should stop at the 50% FIB level. Now I currently have no signal it is stopping, so we might have to assume it will break it, and then we have to look at different options. While it can peak a little bit above the 19,235 level, it must not break the wave 1 low at 19,330. But overall, I think to assume that the overall low is in here is just not reasonable, not after the development of the last few days and couple of weeks. For now, I'm going with the blue count, very well knowing this could become invalidated above that level. I mentioned to you before that a key level is the 20,200 level. If we break above that, something more bullish might be going on. For example, we could still explore the option of an extended wave 2, even though I don't really see that anymore. But again, we primarily go with our count until it gets invalidated. So there are other counts possible. There are other counts possible. For example, we could say that from the top here, we are only coming down in a wave C at the moment. So that it would be a C wave which is in place here to the downside. And in this C wave, put that into a different color. So this is an alternative count that we need to have on the radar. We would have a wave B up here. We would have a wave C down here, and this would overall complete this the wave. And in this C wave, we also have 5 waves. Obviously, it's a different count. It just allows for maybe a little bit more flexibility. It's a diagonal count, and we would assume, okay, wave 1 was probably also in here. Wave 2 was also in here, and I'll make that red in a minute. But just to get in this scenario, you could say that wave 2 was probably in here at some point. Wave 2, and that we are now coming down in 3. Similar count overall, but the detail is important. And then wave 5, we might in this count not come down that much. Now, because this is a diagonal count, we count the subwaves as ABC. Now, what does that mean? That means we can count the wave 3 as a 3-wave move. So if this is the case, then we can see the move down that happened from up here as a 3-wave move, a wave A. This here might become a wave B, and as you know, they can be unpredictable. They can move up a little bit stronger, and then we would come down in a C wave in red. So this is a possibility. If we retrace a little bit more than the 19,235, then we might be looking at it in terms of an ABC pattern here within a diagonal. So absolutely possible. So just have that on the radar, okay? I'll take that chart, I'll take that count out again because it will just confuse people, but I just want to make you aware that there are options even with stronger retracements, okay? So we could even say, and just to show you possibilities here, I don't know which one is going to work out, but it's just important to understand the possibilities. We could even say that we had the 1-2 here, and we're now just doing a 1-2 setup. Okay, so keep an eye on that. But I'll keep you updated about all these moves. So that's my update about Bitcoin. Keep an eye on these levels that I mentioned. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.